In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your card details from Aliexpress. Whether you're looking to update your payment methods or just want to ensure your financial information is secure, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. We'll make sure everything is clear so you can manage your payment settings with confidence. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Aliexpress's website. Once you're there, log into your account. You should see the familiar login screen where you'll input your email address and password. If you're already logged in, then you're one step ahead. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account name there. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled My Account. Click on that. Welcome to your account center, the hub where you can manage all your preferences and settings. Next, focus on the left-hand column. Search for the My Orders section. You might need to scroll a little, but it should be easy to find. Within My Orders, you want to look for Account Settings. Here, you'll see various options related to your account, but for today, our interest lies specifically in payment settings. Find and click on Payment Methods within the account settings. This area displays all the payment details you've saved in Aliexpress. It's a good practice to review these from time to time to make sure everything is up to date and accurate. Now that you're in the Payment Methods section, you'll see a list of your saved cards. Take a moment here to ensure you select the right card you want to remove. Once you're sure about the card, you'll notice an option labeled Delete or a small trash bin icon next to the card details. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, a confirmation prompt typically appears. It might ask you if you really want to remove the card. Confirm your decision by clicking Yes, or Remove again. This step is crucial because it's designed to prevent accidental deletions. Once you've confirmed and the card is removed, you might want to refresh the page just to ensure the card details have been erased correctly. Take a look at the payment list again. The card should no longer be there. And there you have it. Removing your card details from Aliexpress is as simple as that. Remember, managing your online payment information is a key step in maintaining financial security. Keeping your account and payment details clean and up to date ensures you have control over your online purchasing environment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Have a great day and see you next time.